Hey guys, welcome back to The Sipping Bird. Today's episode is number 6 of One Spirit, One Bottle, where gin has become the spirit of my life because gin is the one spirit, one bottle I've chosen to make as many quality craft cocktails out of this one bottle. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. This cocktail is created by myself and I've named it Basil Dreams. So we're gonna put in 1.5 ounces of gin. And do 1/2 ounce of lime juice. You never want to put any imitation citrus in quality craft cocktail. We're going to do 1/2 ounce of dry vermouth. And I'm going to do 1/4 ounce of an elderflower liqueur. Now, if you don't know what elderflower tastes like, elderflower is obviously a flower. This liqueur is floral, but it's a nectar sweet floral, not powdery. We're gonna do a bar spoon of white sugar. This is more for the texture rather than anything. And then white of an egg. All right, so we're gonna add this 1 egg white right into this mixing tin. Now, with an egg white cocktail, you normally would want to dry shake this, and there's a reason why you dry shake it. Dry shake means that you're gonna shake it with the contents, no ice. You wanna do that because the citrus starts to cook the egg, but then really more importantly, the whole purpose of adding an egg white to a cocktail is for that fluffy cloud-like foam you get as a result of shaking it. But you want to start that by emulsifying, incorporating it all together with a dry shake, and then adding your ice. However, I like to work smarter and not harder, and I'm going to use this hand mixer. You can use a coffee foam frother, and that will do just as good. So I'm just going to get this started. And we are going to add some basil right into this cocktail. About 4 or 5 leaves, a couple small ones, a couple big ones. Now with basil, beautiful basil here, or any sort of herbs, you do not want to really break them up because they can start to get bitter really quickly, especially basil. So you just want to slap it to wake it up. Once, maybe twice, add those right in, and then you're gonna add your ice and shake that. I'm just gonna push this right all in here, add some ice, and shake it up. About 25 to 30 seconds. We're gonna double strain this. Look at how beautiful this drink is, guys. Now what's happening here is that egg white is creating a foam and it's beginning to separate. And you're gonna see a nice head on it. And that separation, you're gonna see this hue of green from the basil and that egg white, hence Basil Dreams, like you're dreaming in a cloud. But let's garnish this. We're gonna put 1 single basil, beautiful leaf here. And that, my friends, is Basil Dreams. I'm gonna show it right to you. That is Basil Dreams. Oh my God. This cocktail is refreshing. It's bright. It has a beautiful velvety touch to it. That egg white really wraps all the nuanced flavors together. So that is Basil Dreams, guys. That concludes this episode. cheers to you. I hope you stay safe and healthy out there. And if you like this episode, if you like what I'm doing, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next show. All right, guys, and as usual, here's Mocha making her appearance. Hi, little one. She approves of Basil Dreams.